Hello. So I did post saying I'm not going to be uploading recipes and mukbangs so much recently. I've got my exams on the way, but I thought I'd just post little snippets of what we're eating. So right now I'm just starting the marinade for some Nando style chicken, which I've made before. You can check out the video. And I'll just show you day by day what we're going to be eating. For me, it's Ramadan right now, so it's a busy time. We've got a lovely kitchen, new kitchen, so I'm really excited. So, yeah. So I'm just salt and peppering each side. I forgot my tripod, I left it at home. I know. So it's just going to be hand recording for the next couple of weeks. So I've just added a splash of chili flakes. This is all going to be rubbed in on both sides in a moment anyway. So bear with me. So I've added plenty of paprika. It looks like loads. I know it's scary to see, but it will be rubbed in. And we're going to add some olive oil and lemon and all that delicious. So I've added plenty of lemon juice and olive oil. And I'm just going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. We don't have a lot of oregano, so I thought I'd just use a little dash of this instead. And I've added the mixed herbs, and now we're ready to mix all that marinade in. So I finished, I've mixed in all the marinade, I've added plenty of olive oil, lemon, and we've got some peppers, onions and chilies, because my mum loves chilies, so does my dad. And this is just going to marinate. The best thing about this recipe though, and I think I've said it before, you don't have to marinate the chicken. It's great just going straight into the oven on its own. But obviously, we're not going to cook it just yet, so that's just going to sit for a bit. One of my best things about a roast is some roasted potatoes. When they're made right, I really think they're the star of the show. All I did was parboil them a bit, added a bit of salt, pepper, chili flakes, crushed some garlic in there, throw in a little bit of butter, a bit of olive oil and a tiny bit of sunflower oil. So hopefully these will become really nice and golden in the oven. So that's ready. And we've got some carrots and parsnips here with just some simple salt, pepper and garlic and olive oil. Over here we're just going to roast a bit of sweet corn. I know I always have corn on the cob in my videos. But yep, just doing a bit of that. It's a little bit of everything. We're just going to wrap this up and then this is going to go in the oven. The chicken's done. Just sending some to the neighbours. Frying some cocktail sausages. Some of the chicken juice for gravy, and I fried this up. So we've just broken our fast. We break our fast by eating a date, and we've got some faluda here. I'll show you how we make that. Some neighbours sent some food. We've got some curry there, some chicken juice, garlic bread, fruit. Over here I've just got the food, which we'll finish preparing soon. And I hope you enjoyed our first day of Ramadan. Thank you for watching. Decided we'd just pop ours into this like this.
Yeah. It's not when it's gravy and...
Thank you for watching again.
That looks good, Sam.
Thank you. Plenty of food. Just another recap. Oh, I'm looking forward to digging in. So I'm going to let this go.